Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. Welcome to the video series of creating book information management using React.js as frontend and ASP.NET Core APIs as backend and MS SQL Server is database. Okay, so in this video tutorial, we are going to see how we can create React.js project in Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then we will see how to install Bootstrap in our newly created project. Okay, and then we will see how we can create component in our project, and then the later part of the video we will see how we can install routing in our application, because when we have a multiple components, more than one components, we have to connect these components with each other. So that's why we will install and use routing in our application. Okay, so stay connected, stay tuned, and let's do it. So first we will open our CMD and navigate the directory where we want to save our project. And then we will run our command. Npx and okay, create React app, author and book information. Okay, I will hit the enter button. It will take little bit time. Let's wait until it gets done. Now we will create a component in our application. Let's run our application by typing npm start. So we have an error, no such file directory. I think we are in a wrong directory. We have to go one more directory forward. I think this is our directory. Code. Okay. Yes, we have our application in running position. Okay, but we want our home page, home component as starting page or as landing page. Okay, I will just copy from app.js, paste in. Okay, right now we don't need this div anymore. We'll just copy this and paste here. Okay, my home component. From component okay, I will comment this code by pressing Ctrl K and C. Now we will run our application again. Ctrl C, yes, and npm start. Okay, so this is our home component. Now we will install Bootstrap in our project. We will just copy this command, paste our CMD. npm install React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. And hit the enter button. The Bootstrap has been installed in our application. So now we will verify and check either the Bootstrap is installed directly in our application or not. Okay, but before check and verify, we have to add Bootstrap reference in our index.html page. I will just copy this reference link, reference link, and copy in the head section. Okay, you can copy this reference from the Bootstrap website. Okay, I will just copy this button syntax, bootstrap button syntax, and paste. So here is our bootstrap button, and it is verified. Our bootstrap has been successfully installed in our application. Okay, now we will install routing in our application. I will copy this command and paste in our CMD and hit the enter button. Our routing is successfully installed in our application. Okay,